So good morning girls. Yesterday we have discussed about preparation of alcohols. First one it is from Grignard reagent and second one reduction of carbonyl compounds, carboxylic acids and esters. Okay. So today we'll discuss about physical properties of alcohol. So today's topic that is physical properties of alcohol. So in physical properties of alcohols, we'll discuss about boiling point and second one solubility. So first we'll see the physical state. What is meant by physical state? What does it indicate, physical state? Here, physical state means here, it tells about whether it is solid, liquid or gases. Okay. So coming to the physical state of alcohols, lower alcohols, they exist in the form of liquids. Lower alcohols, they exist in the form of liquids at normal temperature. But coming to the higher alcohols, they exist in the form of waxy solids. So lower alcohols means here low molecular weight alcohols, they exist in the form of liquids. Higher alcohols, they exist in the form of solids. Okay, so this is the physical state of alcohol. And coming to the boiling point, second one, it is a boiling point. So if you consider the boiling point of alcohols, they are higher when you compare with the corresponding ethers. The boiling point of alcohols, it is always higher than the corresponding ethers. That means, for example, if I take ethyl alcohol, so what is the formula of ethyl alcohol?
C2H5OH.
Okay, good. So what is the formula of ethyl alcohol? It is C2H5OH, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So see here, I'm writing the formula of ethyl alcohol, that is C2H5OH. See here, how many carbons are there? 2 carbons are there, right? In ethyl alcohol, it contains 2 carbons. And how many hydrogens are there? 6 hydrogens are there and 1 oxygen. And 6 hydrogens. 5 plus 1 total 6 hydrogens and there is a presence of 1 oxygen. Okay. By using this formula, you can write ethers. Same ide formula, we can also write ethers. For example, you can take a dimethyl ether. Dimethyl ether means di. Di means how many?
2.
2. Dimethyl ether. So this is dimethyl ether, right? See here, if you observe the formula of this ether, here also it contains how many carbons? 2 carbons, 6 hydrogens and 1 oxygen. Okay. So now I'm comparing the boiling point of this alcohol with corresponding ether. If you compare the boiling point of alcohol with ethers on compare చేసినప్పుడు the boiling point of alcohol, it is always higher than the corresponding ethers. Remember. So which is having more boiling point, alcohols or ethers? Which one is having more boiling point, alcohols or ethers?
Alcohol.
Alcohols has higher boiling point. Any boiling point ఎక్కువ ఉంటుంది అంటే alcohols they have ఏంటంటే higher boiling point, because here the reason for higher boiling point of alcohols is these alcohols they can form intermolecular hydrogen bonding. Remember, alcohols they can form intermolecular bonding. So due to the presence of this intermolecular hydrogen bonding, alcohols they have higher boiling point. What is meant by intermolecular hydrogen bonding? Or tell me, what is meant by hydrogen bond? Hydrogen bond and end, ma'am. Hydrogen bond, here it is the weak force of attraction, between positively charged hydrogen atom, negatively charged more electronegative atom, more electronegative atom. So this is the definition of hydrogen bond. So hydrogen bond means here it is the weak force of attraction between positively charged hydrogen atom. Positively charged hydrogen atom means the hydrogen atom, it should contain a positive charge, and there is a force of attraction between these positively charged hydrogen atom and positively charged more electronegative atom, then it is called hydrogen bond. For example, here I am considering an example. Take this alcohol. I'm considering this alcohol. That is ethyl alcohol. C2H5OH. I'm writing like this. Ethyl alcohol, it can be written as ఇలా రాస్తున్నాను చూడండి. Oxygen. See, if you observe this ethyl alcohol, to the oxygen, on one side there is a presence of hydrogen. On other side there is a presence of alkyl group or hydro, right? Ethyl alcohol ki oka side emundi ma, there is a presence of hydrogen. On other side there is a presence of alkyl group, right? So here this ethyl alcohol, it can be written as నేను ఇలా రాస్తున్నాను చూడండి. Oxygen H C2H5. Okay, this is ethyl alcohol. C2H5OH. Okay, I'm taking one more ethyl alcohol. You have to write like this, same as this. C2H5OH. I'm taking another C2H5OH, right? So these are the ethyl alcohols. And you know, among oxygen and hydrogen, which is more electronegative atom among oxygen and hydrogen? Hello? Girls.
Yes, ma'am.
Among oxygen and hydrogen, which is more electronegative atom?
Oxygen.
Oxygen.
You have to remember this one. Oxygen. మరి ఎందుకు అంత లేట్ చేస్తున్నారు? Oxygen is more electronegative atom, right? What is meant by electronegativity?
The tendency of an electron to
It is not tendency of an electron, it is the tendency of an atom to attract the shared pair of electrons. It is called electronegativity, right? This is the definition of electronegativity. The tendency of an atom to attract the shared pair of electrons, it is called electronegativity. So among oxygen and hydrogen, which is more electronegative atom? Oxygen is more electronegative atom. So this bond pair of electrons, it is taken by oxygen, or this bond pair of electrons, it moves towards oxygen, right? If an atom, it takes an electron, it should get a positive charge or negative charge?
Negative charge.
When an atom takes the electron, it should get a
negative
Negative
charge.
it should get a
Negative
charge,
charge.
right? So now this oxygen, it gets a partial negative charge, and hydrogen, it gets a partial positive charge. Okay, same thing happens with this another mole of ethyl alcohol. ఇది కూడా సేమ్ అలాగే జరుగుతుంది కదా. This bond pair of electrons, it moves towards oxygen, so oxygen gets partial negative charge and hydrogen gets partial positive charge. Similarly here also, oxygen gets partial negative and hydrogen, it gets partial positive, right? See here, if you observe these molecules, మీరు molecules observe చేశారు అనుకోండి, here hydrogen is having positive charge or negative charge?
Positive charge.
Hydrogen has positive charge. What about this oxygen? Oxygen is having negative charge. Here, since oxygen, it is a more electronegative atom, kada? Positive,
ma'am.
negative. Compulsory between positive and negative, there should be some force of attraction, right? And this
Yes.
force of attraction, it is called hydrogen bond. Here, hydrogen bond, it is represented like this. Ila dots to represent chesturamma. See the definition. What is the definition of hydrogen bond? the weak force of attraction between positively charged hydrogen atom and negatively charged more electronegative atom. ante unda ikkada chudandi. If you observe this example, hydrogen it is having positive charge and the more electronegative atom oxygen it has a negative charge. So between these atoms there is the presence of force of attraction. This force of attraction is called a hydrogen bond. So here Varsha mute lo petma. So due to the presence of this one, it is considered as hydrogen bonds. And this hydrogen bond, it is a intermolecular hydrogen bond. Hydrogen bond, there are two types of hydrogen bond. One is intermolecular hydrogen bond, another one is intramolecular hydrogen bond. Okay. Intermolecular hydrogen bond means here, if a hydrogen bond is present between the molecules, then it is called intermolecular hydrogen bond. Okay. If a hydrogen bond is present within the same molecule, ante ఒకటే molecule లో we can see the hydrogen bond within the same molecule, then it comes under intramolecular hydrogen bond. Remember this one, okay? And between the alcohols, there is the presence of intermolecular hydrogen bond. So due to the presence of these intermolecular hydrogen bond, the boiling point of alcohols always greater than corresponding ethers. చూడండి మా ఆల్కహాల్స్ లో ఏముంది, there is a presence of ఏంటి intermolecular hydrogen bond. So that's why the boiling point of alcohols is greater than ethers. In ethers we can't see hydrogen bond. Ethers lo hydrogen bond undadu. For example, if you take this one dimethyl ether, CH3 O CH3. I'm taking another molecule of ether, CH3O CH3. Can you write a hydrogen bond for this? Can you write hydrogen bond in case of ethers? Right? దీంట్లో hydrogen bond చూపివచ్చా ethers లో? Can you show hydrogen bond in ethers?
No.
Here, there is a presence of oxygen. But what about hydrogen? ఇక్కడ hydrogen ఉందా?
No, ma'am.
So that's why in ethers, there is absence of hydrogen bond. Ethers lo hydrogen bond undadu. Okay na? But in case of alcohols, there is the presence of hydrogen bond. And which type of hydrogen bond is present? Intermolecular hydrogen bond is present. So due to this intermolecular hydrogen bond, the boiling point of alcohols is higher than corresponding ethers. Okay, is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So among alcohols and ethers, which one is having more boiling point? దేనికి ఎక్కువ boiling point ఉంటుంది? Hello? Alcohols. What is the reason? What is the reason in alcohols we can see?
Intermolecular hydrogen.
In alcohols we can see intermolecular hydrogen bond. Okay na? So due to the presence of this intermolecular hydrogen bond, the boiling point of alcohols is always higher than corresponding ether. Okay. Now we'll see about solubility. Solubility. Okay na? So here, these alcohols, they are soluble in water. If you consider alcohols, lower alcohols, they are soluble in water. Okay. Why alcohols are soluble in water? Same reason, because these alcohols, they can form intermolecular hydrogen bond with water. Alcohols, they can form intermolecular hydrogen bond with water. See here, ఏమంటున్నాను మా here solubility వచ్చేసరికి alcohols, they are ఏమంటున్నాను నేను alcohols, they are soluble in water. Lower alcohols consider చేయాలి. ఓకేనా? లోయర్ ఆల్కహాల్స్ దే ఆర్ సాల్యుబుల్ ఇన్ వాటర్. వాటర్ లో ఏమవుతాయి అంట? డిజాల్వ్ అవుతాయి. Why these alcohols they are soluble in water means here the reason is these alcohols they can form. Hello.
Yes,
These
ma'am.
alcohols they can form intermolecular hydrogen bond with water. Okay, now for example, I'm taking in a beaker. If you take water, to this if you add ethyl alcohol, this ethyl alcohol it is soluble in water. Ethyl alcohol water lo emavuthundi ma here, it dissolves in water. So what is the reason? Reason endanta here the reason is because there is a intermolecular hydrogen bond between water and alcohol. Water and alcohol madhyalo em form avutundi? There is a formation of a intermolecular hydrogen bond. See here, I'm writing. I'm taking ethyl alcohol, that is C2H5OH. So write like this, same inta mundu rasinatte. On one side you have to write alkyl group, on other side you have to write a hydrogen. So this is ethyl alcohol. This ethyl alcohol it dissolves in water. Why it dissolves in water? Because this ethyl alcohol it can form intermolecular hydrogen bond with water. What is the formula of water?
H2O.
H2O. Okay. Here I'm writing like this. O H H. What is this? ఇదేంటి? ఇదేంటి మా? What is this molecule?
Hydrogen.
Molecule. How many hydrogens are there?
2 hydrogen.
2 hydrogens, oxygens ఉన్నాయి. That is H2A na?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Is it
ma'am.
water or not? Water na? It is a water
Water.
molecule. Kada? Next. Next you have to take a, first I have taken ethyl alcohol, next water, next you have to take again ethyl alcohol, C2H5OH. Next again you have to take a water. Now I am showing the intermolecular hydrogen bond between ethyl alcohol and water. Inta mundu em chesamma? We have shown intermolecular hydrogen bond between ethyl alcohol itself. Kada? ఇక్కడికి వచ్చేసరికి ఏం చూపిస్తున్నాం here? Intermolecular hydrogen bond between ethyl alcohol and water. Okay na? Same as this. Among oxygen and hydrogen, which is more electronegative atom? Among oxygen and hydrogen?
Oxygen.
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 So this bond pair of electrons it moves towards oxygen, right? Then oxygen gets partial negative charge.
Negative.
Hydrogen gets partial positive charge. Similarly, if you consider
Negative
water
charge.
molecule, in water molecule also, oxygen is more electronegative atom. So that's why this bond pair of electrons it is taken by oxygen. Then oxygen gets partial negative charge and hydrogen gets partial positive charge. Same thing happens with these two molecules also. Here oxygen gets negative, hydrogen gets positive. Negative, positive. Now tell me the hydrogen bond between these molecules. Children, in ethyl alcohol, hydrogen has a positive charge. In water, oxygen has a negative charge. Kada? In ethyl alcohol, hydrogen has a positive charge. In water molecule, oxygen has a negative charge. Okay? Between this positive and negative, there should be presence of emundali. There should be presence of force of attraction. This force of attraction it is considered as hydrogen bond. There should be presence of a force of attraction, and this force of attraction it is considered as hydrogen bond. And which type of hydrogen bond means here it is a intermolecular hydrogen bond. Okay, and due to the formation of this intermolecular hydrogen bond, water alcohols they are soluble in water. Okay, is it clear? Alcohols,
Yes, ma'am.
they are soluble in water. Why alcohol soluble in water? Because there is a presence of intermolecular hydrogen bond between alcohols and water. Alcohols and water madhyalo meeku em form avutundi ante there is a formation of intermolecular hydrogen bond. Okay, So due to this intermolecular hydrogen bond, alcohols are soluble in water. Is it clear? Boiling
ma'am.
point means for boiling point and for solubility reasons are same. రెండిటికి సేమ్ రీజన్, ఒకటే రీజన్. వాట్ ఈస్ దట్ రీజన్? ఆ రీజన్ ఏంటి?
Intermolecular hydrogen.
Intermolecular
Hydrogen bond.
ఓకేనా? Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
And one more thing here, solubility decreases with the increase in molecular mass. Solubility decreases with increase in molecular mass. That means, for example, if I take ethyl alcohol, next I'm taking propyl alcohol, next I'm taking butyl alcohol. So if you consider, as the molecular mass increases, solubility ఏమవుతుంది? If molecular mass increases, solubility decreases. Both are inversely proportional. You have to remember this one. Solubility is inversely proportional to
Molecular mass.
Okay na? Means low molecular mass, they are more soluble in water. You have to remember this one. What is the reason? Mari enduku ante, because here I'm comparing two alcohols. For example, I'm comparing ethyl alcohol, C2H5OH. Next I'm considering butyl alcohol, CH3, CH2, CH2OH. You have to write one more carbon. Okay, this is ethyl alcohol. This ethyl alcohol, it can be written as CH3, CH2OH. This is ethyl alcohol. This is butyl alcohol, N-butyl alcohol. Okay, which is more soluble? Means ethyl alcohol is more soluble in water than butyl alcohol. What is the reason? Means here, which is having more molecular mass, దేనికి ఎక్కువ molecular mass ఉంటుంది? See here, how many carbons are there in ethyl alcohol? How many carbons are there in ethyl alcohol?
2 carbons.
2 carbons. What about in butyl alcohol?
4 carbons. 4 carbons.
4 carbons. Okay na? Means which is having more molecular weight or molecular mass, దేనికి molecular weight ఎక్కువ ఉంటుంది?
Butyl alcohol.
Okay. That is butyl alcohol. Kada? So if
Yes,
molecular mass is more, what about solubility? Solubility will be less. Okay na? రెండు కూడా ఎలా ఉంటాయంటే they are inversely proportional. Inversely proportional means if one term increases, another term decreases. అంతే కదా? ఒకటి ఇంక్రీజ్ అయితే ఇంకొకటి ఏం అవ్వాలి మా? డిక్రీజ్ అవ్వాలి. You have to remember this point. Okay na? What is the relation between solubility and molecular mass? Solubility is inversely proportional to molecular
mass.
If molecular mass is high, solubility will be low.
Decreases.
Okay? Why? What is the reason? మరి ఎందుకు అలా కావాలి అంటే చూడండి మా, యాక్చువల్లీ ద ఆల్కహాల్ గ్రూప్ ఉంది కదా. ఇన్ కేస్ ఆఫ్ ఇథైల్ ఆల్కహాల్, ద ఆల్కహాల్ గ్రూప్ ఈజ్ ఏంటి? ఇథైల్. ఇన్ కేస్ ఆఫ్ బ్యూటైల్ ఆల్కహాల్, the alkyl group is butyl. Okay na? Actually these hydrocarbons or alkyl group, they are hydrophobic. Phobic means here hydrophobic. Phobia, what does phobia indicates? Asal phobia ante enti? Fear kada. ఇక్కడ hydrophobic అంటున్నాను. Hydro means you can consider water. Okay na? Water hating means these hydrocarbons, they does not dissolve in water. They will repel water. Okay na? So since alkyl group, it is a hydrophobic part, so that's why as the molecular mass increases, solubility decreases. Molecular mass increases, solubility decreases. Okay? Okay na?
Okay, ma'am.
Hello. So this is about solubility. Okay? So this is about physical properties of alcohols. So first we have seen about దేని గురించి చూసామా? Physical state, In physical state, what we have discussed, lower alcohols, they exist in the form of liquids. Higher alcohols, they exist in the form of solids. Okay. Coming to the boiling point, the boiling point of alcohols is always higher than the corresponding ethers because due to the formation of intermolecular hydrogen bond. Okay. So what is meant by hydrogen bond? Hydrogen bond and enti? You should not forget this definition. Hydrogen bond definition మర్చిపోవద్దు మనకు వచ్చేది.
Attraction between positive hydrogen
Positive
atom and negative oxygen atom
And
is more.
negatively charged, more electronegative atom, right? Next, coming to the solubility. Lower alcohols are soluble in water. Why lower alcohols they are soluble in water? Because these alcohols they can form intermolecular hydrogen bond with water. Okay. So these are the physical properties of alcohol.